I really didn't think this through.
But I love it.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Oh no, that's my vlog channel intro. Subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, it's your girl KDC. And you're kicking it with me. I've been getting a lot of comments and requests to make slime. Okay, just one. But I thought it was a good idea. And I wanted to do it because how it's slime. So I don't know how to do this. I'm just guessing by what I've seen on the internet. I think glue. I think glitter and salt. It's my cat. Oh, I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Okay, wait, no, that makes no sense. Let's just open this up. Oh, this smells glue. Don't do drugs, kids. We're gonna make slime. Slimy, slimy. I guess that's all. Nope, she's still going. Okay. Of course, of course. Of course. Which one do I want? I kind of want blue, but I kind of want purple. I think I'm gonna do the purple. Can you open? Can you open? Can you open? It's happening. It's not happening. It's just going around. Oh, blue! Then I guess should I stir this and then put salt? How much salt do I need? And then I guess I stir. Is it happening? Is it happening? Is it slime? Oh, that's not pretty at all. Something's happening. Ew, this just looks like puke. Do I let it dry? Should I put more glitter? Wait, this was glitter glue. Does that matter? Oh, oh god! Is this slime? Nope. Should I? Is that slime? Let's see if I can make a ball. Wait. Nope. 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 Well, this is fun. I don't know how y'all are doing it. Y'all are clearly Einsteins running around.
And I'm far from finished.
Well, so this is my slime. How do I get rid of this? I didn't think this whole thing through, did I? I just said I'm gonna make slime. Okay guys, so this was an epic fail. I honestly thought I was going to make slime and I was going to have so much fun with my slime ball, but that didn't happen. But give this video a big thumbs up if you just like how I epically failed in this video. Comment down below if there's any more challenges that you would like to see me do. Wait. Nope. Make sure you check out my last video. It's reacting to you guys' musicallys. Check out my vlog channel because I get a little crazy up in there sometimes. I do weekly vlogs. And be slimy off and wait. I'm coming. Be awesome today, guys. Bye. used glue, glitter glue, and salt. I think I'm missing something. Please comment below if you know what I'm missing, because I don't know.